Patrick called to check in while casilda on girls' night out.
Good night, Patrick. Well, me had a girls' night out tonight. Yes. I'm a friend them out in the street. We was sitting on the corner playing two domino here. Over Patsy house. Yes, me I drink one liquor, one beer, yeah, too. If me not afraid me drunk, then no. After me not that far from my bed. If me feel drunk, me not just go on my bed, go lie down. Hey. So we are going over the Connecticut there with. I'm not hearing from you regular. You send the little money, but me not hearing from you too regular. You busy? So how busy you so? Oh, you get a new work. Okay. Blueberry gone to bed long time from 8 o'clock. School night, oh no school night, she have to go to bed very early. I have one policy. 8 o'clock bed, Sunday or Monday or which days of the week, 8 o'clock. Not even 8:05. I'm not changing it up. Because sometimes you give them an inch, then take a mile. She have to under full control. She not going to rule me here. No, not at all. Yes. Jam. As me tell you, say Jam is studying very hard because it's all at 12 subject him going to take. You understand? So him not wasting any time. As him come from school, him eat and get himself together and down in a book. Not even 4 9 nothing. I don't see Jam with. No matter how little friend them come and call him and tell them he don't have time. Yes. Is a boy we have him plan out. Yes. And I love that with him. I don't have to quarrel with Jam. Because when I look around and see how many things is going on with these young boys, 15 and also, it's just a couple of days ago, one down in the country there, down, I think it's Hanover, lost, is 3 points. Yes, another one, take him 3 points. At school, yes, I'm very scared. It's a good thing Jam not into friend and company. I'm telling you, because it seems like the devil loose more than first time over the children them. Yes, because what happened to is the parents them is more young, the young parents them themselves need guidance. Yes, them themselves need the guidance, the young parents them. So them can't guide no picnic at all. Yes. The granny young, the mother young, and the pitney young. Nobody fi guide anybody, nobody fi instill proper morals in anybody. Yes. Well, I'm soon going because it get late and me left Blueberry inside asleep. Okay then, alright. Take care until we talk again. Okay, Patrick, okay. Alright then, Patrick, okay. Okay, alright.